This conference will now be recorded.
Welcome to the Future Edge Recap. We're about to review the ES, the S&P 500 E-mini futures. Today's date is July the 15th, 2019. In front of you is a risk disclaimer. Just means there's risk involved. You should never invest money you cannot afford to lose. Always keep risk management in mind. Understand that we are not CTAs, which stands for Commodity Trading Advisors. Okay, so on the S&P 500 E-mini futures monthly time frame, we can see the market is inside of an uptrend. The market's right at resistance, which is 30.1725 area. 30.30 realistically could be the area that pushes the market down. For the market to continue bullish, to hit the Fibonacci extension, the market's going to have to close above 30.30. So we're right in the area where the market's going to have a major decision soon. We go to the daily time frame, and we can see that the resistance level is where the market falls, which is your 30.30 area. But we have 30.24.50 is a Fibonacci extension. Now, the market came within 4 ticks from hitting that. So we're going to expect the market to go to 30.24.50 before the reversal. The plan of action is off of the smaller time frames to continuously look for tunnel trading long opportunities until 30.24.50. Anytime the market touches the green line, we want to look to take it towards the bullish opportunity. If we look at the 1 hour time frame, we can see that the market is still inside the uptrend. We broke the inner trend line. The market may gravitate towards the outer trend line. If it does fall towards the outer trend line, it would open the door to a really nice buy low price. But the market is anticipated to begin to push towards 30.24.50. There is a 1 hour extension that matches up with 30.30, so the market could go as high as 30.30. All right, everyone, this is Joshua Martinez.